What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Continuing on with our iOS 27 update coverage, this one is going to be about all the changes for AirPods. And yes, we've already talked about the settings updates. We'll briefly touch on that again, but we finally got the new beta firmware for our AirPods Pro 3, and it's time to show you that new equalizer that's finally been added in 2026. So I'm going to go ahead and just put this over here, close out our menu, and jump into settings. And when we do, as you typically would, you will go to your settings for your AirPods. And like I said, you can see exactly how everything has been changed and updated and how it looks now. Much cleaner, much more simple, and you're not just doom scrolling up and down trying to find what you want. So as you can see, first things first, if you're looking to get them, make sure your AirPods beta updates is toggled on. And then once they do that, make sure your AirPods are plugged in for 30 minutes, top closed, next to your iPhone. Once you do that, it will trigger this new beta version. It's going to be 9A292E. Again, similar to all the numbering schemes for all the other software updates that Apple has, the E on beta signifies that it's not quite ready yet. We will get other iterations of this, and then in a few short betas, this should be good to go for public release. Now, like I said, if we go under the new menu for audio and routing, you will see finally, like I said, that new equalizer option. Been a long time coming, but it is finally here, and you can see exactly what this new interface looks like. So we'll reset this. It does come standard flat under recommended, and then you can customize it as well. Recommended, again, is what is initially highlighted. Custom is any sort of customization you make for lows, mids, and highs. But again, for now, we'll leave it on recommended. Hit play. And you can hear, I don't want to get copyright, so I'm going to turn this down. But this is exactly the cool wavelength animation it has playing when you are going through the equalizer option. So recommended, you can see there's a lot of lows, not so many mids or highs. But when you go to customize, you now have that new green bar across where you can change each one. So you can drag it up and down. And again, look at that cool liquid glass animation right there. So if we want a little bit more highs, let's turn the mids down a little. You can see exactly how that looks. And then lows, let's make those a little higher. And you can see now our new wavelength for those changes for the equalizer. Still would love to see a lot more options. Audiophiles are not going to be happy just having these couple, but at least it's something, whereas we had nothing prior. You can, again, tweak this as you want and do ever so subtle changes to get that sound profile you want to hear. Nothing crazy at all, but it is still pretty good to see. Now, if you missed that other video, oops, let me go ahead and pause this again. You can see here again, all of these options are a little bit different and cleaner looking for audio routing, hearing health, controls and gestures, live translation, accessibility, battery, Find My, privacy, and again, as you saw, fit and comfort, about, and the AirPods beta updates if you want to opt in for that. We're not going to go through all these settings again. We'll have a video talking about all this. This is strictly just about the equalizer, and I do think finally giving users the ability to customize it as they want is always going to be a good thing, never a bad thing. Huge fan. Now let's talk about when the public can expect this release. Obviously, being in beta and being tied to iOS 27, iOS 27 isn't going to go live for a few months until about the middle of September when the new iPhones are announced, so we have a little bit of time before this happens. I'm not sure if we'll get a public beta for it or if it'll stay dev beta, but if it does, we can assume that Apple will release this in July, probably around the 6th or so, when the third beta of iOS 27 goes public. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. How happy are you that they added an equalizer? I know it's very limited in what it offers, but I definitely would rather see this than no options at all, and that's always a good thing. So let me know in the comments below if you updated to iOS 27, or if you didn't, will this new equalizer option for AirPods make you want to test it out? That's it for this one. We will catch you in the next one. Peace.